With a mighty engine that roars to life, the Cybertruck redefines the electric driving experience. Packing a punch of 300 horsepower and 250 lb-ft of torque, this revolutionary vehicle effortlessly surges from 0 to 60 mph in a mere 6.5 seconds. The technology within the Cybertruck's engine is a harmonious blend of power and precision, propelling it to the zenith of electric vehicle performance. What lies beneath the hood is not merely a motor, but a testament to Tesla's commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation in the automotive landscape. What cutting-edge technology is Tesla concealing about the Cybertruck's engine performance? Before we begin, please show your support by subscribing if you haven't already and ringing the bell so you won't miss out on any of our interesting videos in the future. Now, let's get started with today's content. Tesla's Cybertruck has officially unveiled its commercial version. The initial batch of vehicles is currently undergoing production for delivery to customers in 2024. Reports estimate a staggering 1.9 million pre-orders for this electric pickup truck, underscoring the immense demand for its innovative motor technology. What is the key that helps the Cybertruck's engine defeat every rival? Tesla has unveiled the powerful electric motor of the Cybertruck at an impressive delivery event, boasting a horsepower of 300 and a torque of 250 lb-ft. With a robust combination of the motor and the drivetrain system, this electric pickup achieves an impressive acceleration capability from 0 to 100 km/h in just 6.5 seconds. The electric differential lock plays a crucial role in the front-wheel drive system of the Cybertruck, assisting in maintaining stable wheel speed, preventing slippage, and enhancing towing force. This feature significantly improves the off-road capabilities of the Cybertruck. The operation of the electric differential lock involves using an electric motor or a hydraulic system to create resistance between the two wheels. When one wheel slips, the system automatically applies force to the remaining wheel, maintaining a stable rotational speed and ensuring stability for the vehicle. The compact design of the electric differential lock, with dimensions of around 20 km and a weight of approximately 20 kg, contributes to saving space and reducing the overall weight of the Cybertruck. Moreover, this design ensures a lifespan of up to 100,000 miles, a crucial feature that enhances towing capability and performance across various terrains. According to information from Tesla, the electric differential lock of the Cybertruck enhances off-road capability by up to 60%, showcasing superior operational performance on challenging terrains. Furthermore, the electric differential lock helps increase towing capacity by up to 20%, demonstrating the vehicle's flexibility on different road and terrain conditions. In 2019, Elon Musk shared about the promising future of the Cybertruck model. He mentioned providing various motor configurations, including a single motor, dual motors, and even all-wheel drive with 3 motors. Although details about power output were not clear, there were speculations about a powerful capability of up to 800 horsepower for the Plaid version. The exploration of the Cybertruck goes beyond just horsepower. It extends to peak performance, achieving a remarkable 2.9 seconds for 0-60 mph, acceleration and an astonishing 10.8 seconds for a quarter mile, promising limitless driving experiences. Speaking of the operational range, the 2019 concept model of the Cybertruck declared a range of 250 miles for the base version. The mid-range option could cover 300 miles, while the long-range truck version could reach an impressive 500 miles. Up to the current moment, these figures seem to be just the beginning, with notable improvements in the vehicle's performance expected in the near future. What do you think about the improvement in operating range in the new version of Cybertruck? Please leave your opinion in the comments section below. How did Elon Musk demonstrate the strength of the Cybertruck through various tests? Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, shared a video on Twitter with the message "Wait for it," marking a significant step forward after 4 months of waiting for the results of the Cybertruck's frontal impact test. The Cybertruck delivery event in Austin, Texas, is not only an opportunity for Tesla to address lingering questions, but also a chance to introduce an impressive video showcasing the superior impact resistance of the electric pickup truck. Tests on the front, 3/4 front, and sides have clarified the safety standards of the Cybertruck. colliding with a wall at a speed of 75 miles per hour resulted in the deformation and significant damage to the front part of the vehicle, but the frame retained its original shape. Notably, the interior components remained well protected, establishing a high safety standard. The Cybertruck's windshield, capable of withstanding an impact of up to 2,000 pounds, remained intact. This is attributed to the use of toughened glass, emphasizing Tesla's deliberate consideration for high-impact resistance. Comparing this to the crash test of the F-150 Lightning, where the rear glass couldn't withstand inertia and instantly shattered, such an issue did not occur with the Cybertruck, even though both were moving at a speed of 35 miles per hour as required by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. In this context, concerns about the deformation capability of stainless steel become more critical. Tesla not only demonstrated the excellent impact resistance of the Cybertruck, but also emphasized the importance of ensuring safety while maintaining a competitive edge in the increasingly competitive electric vehicle market. Tesla provided a convincing answer to the doubts surrounding the Al Capone-style test. The Cybertruck not only showcased absolute safety, but also made a strong and clear statement, affirming the authenticity of this test. The Cybertruck withstood bullets from Tommy guns, causing dents in the electric pickup store, but the bullets did not penetrate. Tesla even released more behind-the-scenes footage of the Bulletproof test on the Cybertruck. The video, posted on the official Cybertruck account on XE, revealed the use of 4 types of guns tested on the electric model. Apart from the Tommy gun, the Cybertruck had to face off with a Glock, MP5 SD, and another shotgun. Tesla engineers were surprised when they opened the door of the Cybertruck and found no damage inside. This not only confirmed the results of the Glock and MP5 SD gun tests, but also showed that the shotgun test, which could surpass many other pickup trucks on the market, was not enough to incapacitate the Cybertruck. The most severe damage from the shotguns was the cracking of the truck's window after the test, but the vehicle continued to operate normally and even pulled a Ford pickup truck in a subsequent bullet test. Certainly, Tesla couldn't overlook the rollover test, a common procedure in the automotive industry. It's evident that the Cybertruck exhibits a particular anti-rollover capability in the event of a car accident. The vehicle gracefully tilts at a 45-degree angle during the test and swiftly returns to its original position on the flat surface. This impressive performance may be attributed to the substantial weight of the battery pack placed beneath the chassis, significantly contributing to the overall stability of the Cybertruck. Due to the low center of gravity, it cannot roll over, Musk explained in the rolling wheel test video conducted at a speed of 26 miles per hour, where the Cybertruck slid down the hilltop, placing both left wheels in a tense situation in the sandpit, but without overturning. When comparing to other vehicle types in the market, Musk always intends for the Cybertruck to set a new standard for safety and durability. Traditional trucks and SUVs are designed with specific safety standards, primarily focusing on collision resistance and passenger protection in accidents. The new entrant, Cybertruck, goes a step further by combining materials and technologies that help protect against external threats, such as bullets and projectiles. Something unprecedented in conventional consumer vehicles. This level of safety, combined with an environmentally friendly electric drivetrain and high durability, positions the Cybertruck as a pioneer in the new era of car design. Tesla's groundbreaking features in the Cybertruck offer a sneak peek into the forthcoming era of electric vehicles. It paints a vision of a future where electric cars are selected not solely for their environmental advantages, but also for their outstanding performance, safety, and durability. By doing so, this vehicle sets a challenge for other manufacturers to elevate their standards, propelling the entire industry towards more innovative and holistic approaches in car design and production. Tesla's ambitious plan to manufacture 375,000 Cybertrucks annually positions it to become one of the most sought-after vehicles in Tesla's lineup. How do you perceive the notable advancements made to the Cybertruck? We hope you will have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.